welcome to week 2 workout 2. So this workout is going to be 30 seconds movement and 20 seconds rest. You can repeat 3 to 5 times. That's just my recommended amount. Definitely adjust it for what your needs are. For the planks, I just want to reiterate that you'll start on your right side and then you'll go to your left side. So this is a follow along, and let's start. So here's a prisoner squat. You want to make sure your weight is in your heels, your torso is staying up, your knees are not jetting together, so pay attention to that. We want to keep the speed up for this one, so try not to do these too slow. The reason this is called a prisoner squat is because my hands are behind my head. You don't need to put them there. You can put them on your hips and rest. So we're doing 20 seconds rest this time. All right, so we have a side plank. You can do this on your forearm or your wrist. Here you see me on my wrist with my feet stacked on top of each other. You can add the optional like up, down with your hips. Here's on my forearm. This will be better for your wrist if you have any wrist problems. I actually find it more challenging on my forearm, but I think it's supposed to be more challenging on your wrist, so play around with it. And you also don't need to stack your feet. You can kind of have one in front of the other for more stability, so play around with that one as well. All right, so now we have skaters. So essentially this is kind of like a curtsy lunge, but with a jump before it, and then you're going to touch down to your opposite foot. Try to avoid banging your back knee on the ground. We don't want that. And keep your speed up. If you don't have the space to be doing these, you can also do fast curtsy lunges or fast backwards lunges. Yeah. All right, we have more side planks, so make sure you're doing the opposite side from what you did last time. So again, you can add these repetitions. Just make sure you're doing the same amount on each side. Your wrist should be below your shoulder. My feet are stacked, but if you need more stability, take your top leg and put it behind your other foot on the ground, and that will give you a little bit more stability. Almost done. There you go. So now we rest. Okay, and now we're doing no rope jump rope. So essentially, I want you to pretend that you're jumping rope. Pretend you grabbed a jump rope, you're doing it. Luckily, with a fake jump rope, you won't mess up, so you don't have to stop a ton. But make sure you keep your speed up for this one. The form is very simple, so the purpose for this is to keep your heart rate up and really get moving. So just keep jumping. All right, so here's a knee hug crunch. This is your last movement. You're gonna bring your legs out extended. Make sure they're not all the way on the ground, so you're still using your core to keep them up. And then you're gonna bring your arms out to the sides, your knees into your chest, and you're gonna be using your core to both bring your legs up and your head and arms towards your legs, if that makes sense. So engage your core. Keep doing them. Slow is fine. All right, so you'll repeat that 3 to 5 times, and that's your workout. So I hope it goes well. Let me know if you need any modifications, and just repeat this video again if you want to repeat the set. So remember, repeat 3 to 5 times. You can just follow me along in the video.